In this video, we are going to show you how to install the bookmarklet in Safari on iPhone. Step 1. Change settings on iPhone. Go to Settings. Tap Safari. Turn off the block all cookies. Step 2. Add bookmark to Safari. Launch Safari. Go to Accessing HKUL, e-Resources LibGuide of HKUL Libraries. Tap the Share button. Tap Add Bookmark. At the page of Add Bookmark, change the bookmark title to Reload by HKUL. Set location to Favorites. Tap Save. Step 3. Edit the bookmarklet code. Copy the bookmarklet code from Accessing HKUL, e-Resources LibGuide. Tap the Bookmark button. Tap Favorites. Select the bookmark, Reload via HKUL. Paste the bookmarklet code at the address. Tap Done after finish editing the address. Tap Done at the bottom to leave the Favorites page. Then, tap Done at the top to leave the page. Step 4. Search the articles at the publisher's website. Go to a web page that you would like to redirect through the library's easy proxy server. For example, Science Direct. As the publisher does not recognize your affiliation with HKUL Libraries, it asks you to pay for the article. Tap the Bookmark button. Tap Reload by HKUL. Enter your HKUL portal UID, or library card number, and PIN. After HKUL authentication, you can retrieve the full text of the articles. Note that the bookmarklet works only if the HKUL Libraries has a subscription to the resources. Thanks for watching.